الله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الذين آمنوا O believers اتقوا الله fear Allah وَلْتَنْظُرْ and let know nafsun every soul ma what qaddamat it has sent forth lighadin for tomorrow. Wattaqullah and fear Allah, inna Allah indeed Allah, khabirun in all aware, bima of what ta'malun you do. Wala and do not takunu be kallazina like those who nasu forgot. Allah fa'ansahum so he made them forget anfusahum themselves. Ulaika, it is they, humul fasikun, who are disobedient. La yastawi, not equal, ashabun nar, companions are an-nar of the fire, was ashabul jannah and the companions of the paradise. Ashabul jannah, the companions of paradise, humul faizun, it is they who are achievers. Law anzalna, law if anzalna we had sent down hazal Quran, this Quran, ala an jabalin, a mountain, law ra'aytahu, surely you would have seen it, khashi'an, humbled, mutasaddi'an, breaking asunder, min khashyatillah, from the fear of Allah. وَتِلْكَ الْأَمْثَالُ and these examples, نَضْرِبُهَا we present them, لِلنَّاسِ to the people, لَعَلَّهُمْ يَتَفَكَّرُونَ so that they may give thought. هُوَ اللَّهُ الَّذِي لَا إِلَهَ إِلَّا هُوَ, He is Allah, the one who there is no God but He. Alimul Ghaib, the all-knower of the unseen, was Shahada and the seen, witness. Huwa, He is Ar-Rahman, the most gracious, Ar-Rahim, the most merciful. Huwa Allahu allazi la ilaha illahu, He is Allah, the one who there is no God but who. Al-Malik, so the King, Al-Quddus, the Holy One, the pure, As-Salam, the giver of peace, Al-Mu'min, the giver of security, Al-Muhaymin, the guardian, Al-Aziz, the Almighty, Al-Jabbar, the irresistible, Al-Mutakabbir, the Supreme. Subhanallah, glory be to Allah. Amma yushrikun, from what they associate with Him. Wallah, He is Allah, Al-Khaliq, the creator, Al-Bari, the inventor, Al-Musawwir, the fashioner, lahu for Him, Al-Asma'ul Husna, are the names, the beautiful names. Yusabbihu lahu ma fis samawati wal ard, glorify for Him whatever is in the heavens and the earth. Wahuwa, and He is Al-Aziz, is the Almighty, Al-Hakim, All-Wise. Sadaqallahul Azim.